Welcome to our tutorial on how to add a description to your album on Facebook. Let's walk through the steps together. To get started, open the Facebook app on your Android device to access your profile. Tap on your profile picture to navigate to your profile page. Below your profile picture, tap on Photos to view your photo collections. Next, select Albums at the top to see all your albums. Choose the specific album you want by clicking on its title. Click on the three dots at the top right corner of the album page. Tap on Edit to make changes to the album settings. Under the album name, type a description to provide context or details about the album content. Finally, tap on Done at the top right to save the description to the album. By following these steps, you can easily personalize your albums on Facebook by adding descriptions to give your audience more information about the content. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in showing you how to add a description to your album on Facebook. Enhance your album sharing experience by providing meaningful descriptions to your albums.